This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of PDF Pen, PDF Pen Pro, PDF Pen for iPhone, PDF Pen for iPad, PDF Pen Scan Plus for iPhone and iPad, Text Expander Touch, and Disk Label. Find out more about all their great products at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner at CES Unveiled. This is MacVoices. This is Jackie. She is with Griffin Technology. She's going to tell us about all the cool stuff that Griffin has unleashed here tonight. Jackie, it's good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks.
Griffin always does a great job with all their products. What are you showing tonight?
We have a lot of really new accessories that we've just announced today, mainly for people that, we all have technology in our lives, and this is a really good way to organize it because we've got all the necessary cables that you've got to have, but they just kind of get in the way a little bit, and they're not on hand where we want them. So we've developed a lot of new stuff to just declutter and get things the way you want them.
You've seen my house, Jackie. You know about clutter. So tell me what you're going to declutter with.
So the first thing I'm going to show is, this is our guide. So this is part of our new cable organization system that we've announced. So guide, you get 3 of these little metal tiles here, and then you've got these 3. These are magnets. So this just kind of snaps on there, and you're going to thread any of the cables that you have near your laptop or on your desk, just in general. In my instance, at work, I have a laptop set up with an external monitor. Every time I go to a meeting and unhook the laptop, the external monitor cable falls onto the floor. And so this would be a perfect example of just threading this through and putting it wherever you want, and it'll just keep it from falling off there. So this is called Guide. It starts at $30. We're going to have some different material options, more premium options and more affordable options. But yeah, just a really cool way to get the cables exactly where you want them on your desktop and have them stay put.
Okay, so it's got some weight to it.
It does.
It's got a little weight to it, but I love the magnetic idea because now I don't have to go threading things through and trying to squeeze them through.
Exactly.
You just drop it there, put that over it, and bang.
And you can easily change it however you need to. Yeah, it's just a magnet. So
great. Okay. So that's the first one, and that's a really nice cable organizer. I really like that.
Yeah, we love the design of it. It's just like you can't really tell exactly what it is by looking at it, and then when you see it in action, it's like, oh, that's perfect. So.
What else do we have back here? We got a lot of stuff back here.
There's a lot of stuff back here, yeah. Part of our premium power offering that we've announced today is the PowerDock Pro. So this is a follow-up to our PowerDock charging station that we've introduced a couple years ago. It's been very popular, and we've just kind of made it even better by giving you a place to keep all of the cables, so they're wrapped inside of it. It's a 5-bay charging station, and it works with all USB devices. But rather than plugging in the USBs and then having the cables kind of exposed, we wanted to kind of declutter again, and we've had a really ingenious kind of design idea where the cables actually thread through it. So really great charging station solution for the whole family. It's perfect for like a multi-device household because it doesn't matter. It's not specifically for one iOS or Android, or it works with any USB.
Great. Again, you're decluttering. I love it.
Yes.
I love it. I know there's some things back here for fitness work. So what kind of fitness things do we have going?
Absolutely, yeah. Our mannequin right here is wearing a lot of our fitness tracker accessories, the wearables. So we've got the ribbon wristband, which I've got one on right here. And basically the Fitbit just kind of goes into the pocket underneath there. And it's just a more comfortable, more stylish way of wearing a fitness tracker. Everybody, aspires to wear their fitness tracker every day, but after a little while, you kind of get tired of it. You kind of fall out of the habit of it. And so these, our accessories are just like fun, interesting ways to wear your fitness tracker, keep you motivated, so you'll continue wearing it.
It's funny, we were having this discussion at breakfast about how many people stop using their fitness trackers, whatever they have, because it's not convenient. Some people don't like them on the wrist, and they don't even wear watches, so they sure don't want a fitness tracker.
Exactly, yeah, and that's a good point, not wearing it on the wrist. We have the tracker clip here. It looks just like a tie clip, you can see, but it's actually our tracker clip. So there are lots of alternate ways to wear a fitness tracker. It doesn't have to be on your wrist. We've got ones for the waistband, one with a carabiner clip on it here. The courier clip, you could put this anywhere that would be convenient for you. Maybe it's a belt loop, backpack, wherever you would want it. So yeah, lots of fun ways of wearing fitness trackers. It doesn't have to be just on the wrist as the manufacturer gave you. So
Very nice, very nice. I'm curious about the armband. Is that something new, or is this something that's been around for a while?
this is actually brand new. This is our Lightrunner. So it lights up here, so it's perfect for night running. It's a more of a safety feature than anything to make sure that you're seen while you're out running. So, and that's Lightrunner. It's $40. It's going to be available this spring.
Anything else behind me that we're hiding? I know there's a lot of stuff here.
There is a lot of stuff here. I would say the other thing that you can't miss is 20. This is our 20-watt digital audio amplifier. We've added Bluetooth to this. So we had a previous version of 20 that was for AirPlay and the optical cable, and now this one has Bluetooth on it. So it's for iOS and Android, and it's a really great way to stream audio wirelessly throughout your house. Just a really high-quality audio streaming.
What kind of price point on the 20 especially?
20 is $149.99.
So that's not bad for what it does.
Not at all. And you can use it with the existing speakers that you already own. We also we partnered with NHT, and we're offering those speakers as well with a bundle with the 20. So it's a great deal for a home theater system.
Where do we send people to learn more about all of this stuff?
GriffinTechnology.com.
That's easy. That's easy. Good to see you, Jackie. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Chuck.
More from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is MacVoices. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, Google+, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the MacVoices blog. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter, the MacVoices Dispatch, to stay up to date on all the latest MacVoices news from our front page or at macvoices.com/newsletter. Do more with your Apple tech by subscribing to the free MacVoices magazine on Flipboard by visiting macvoices.com/magazine. Advertising and sponsorships handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.